A very good morning. This Wednesday morning, we are having a new health topic, and that is about the importance of having an apple in your diet. Well, they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Why is it so? The active ingredient of the apple primarily is something called as pectin. And pectin is found in the inner portion of the rind and also in the pulp. Remember children, pectin in the apple helps to prevent its decomposition of the protein content in the apple and thus help your digestive system. There is also something called as malic acid that is also contained in the apple and is good for your intestines, liver and your brain. Apples are rich in iron, arsenic and phosphorus. Therefore, it benefits in case you are anemic, number one, that is, you have a low hemoglobin count. You all might have noticed, in case you're feeling pale, tired, lethargic and sluggish in your activities, the doctor always asks you to improve your iron intake. That is, have a lot of leafy vegetables, have jaggery into your diet, have nachni. That is, you have your ragi, which is you have to mix it, make a paste of it in the mixer, and put a little jaggery to fortify it with iron. This also helps in benefiting loose motions. Why? As I said before, pectin and malic acid have an effect on your intestines. And in case you have loose motion, that is, you're losing your natural bacteria that is there in your intestinal wall. It could be because of something that you have eaten during the rains. That could give you a slight stomach gripe. Apples will help solidify your intestinal matter and help you to give you a smooth bowel movement. Even it's a very good stomach tonic. Therefore, cooked or baked apples crushed into a pulp, and when you sprinkle some cinnamon or honey, this should be chewed thoroughly before you swallow and should be taken even between meals for better result. Remember children, in case your mama or your papa have a lot of joint complaints or high blood pressure problems or even in kidney stones, apples are very, very good. Now there's something also that apples have a very good effect on your teeth. So if you eat an apple, it gives a good feel of like a toothbrush effect on your teeth and your gums. So you bite on the apple, chew it well, it gives a nice, and it increases your saliva. Because of the increase in saliva, now this saliva itself acts as an antiseptic in your mouth and also strengthens your gums. Therefore, enjoy eating apples during this season of COVID-19 as well. But remember, these apples are sprayed with a lot of chemicals to prevent them from decay. And especially because we do not have apples grown here, because of transportation, they need to preserve apples and they spray it with harmful chemicals. So therefore, remember to wash your apples, and it's if you could just scrape it off with a knife, you could see the wax come off, or you could discard the skin. But eating an apple a day will surely boost your immunity. Thank you.